Hey, this is Chase with Costa, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about using your throttles on the 26. So, on both Mercury and Yamaha throttles, they've got a one lever option that you'll use, or it'll make it simpler to run the boat when you use it once you get away from the dock. So, when you're near the dock, when you launch the boat or you're leaving your boat lift, you'll use the two levers if you need to, independent of each other, just to help maneuver away from the dock, because you can run forward or reverse or both at the same time with those motors to move the boat, kind of like a joystick would do. And then once you get away from the dock, you can push the one lever button, and what that allows you to do is put your hand in a comfortable spot on the throttle and kind of rest your arm on the base of it instead of holding the top of the binnacle, so that it's a little more comfortable to drive in rough water. And then when you're maneuvering the boat, going through turns and stuff like that, it ultimately allows you to maneuver the throttle just like you would, the brake and the gas in your car. So when you take sharper turns, you can just let off the throttle a little bit using the one lever and then accelerate as you come out of the turn. And that just makes it more comfortable in a catamaran for all the passengers on the boat. And we'll show you that shortly.